Previous generations completed their life cycle in 4 weeks, but the last generation of these butterflies, they're strong. They're unlike any other of the previous 4 generations. They're the final generation. These butterflies are members of a generation that calls them the Monarch Super Generation. It's the final generation, because what took 4 generations to get to their destination in the north, this final destination, this final generation makes the entire trek of 3,000 miles by themselves. What took them 4 generations previously takes 1 generation with a super generation